What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to the best headlight restoration channel on the whole of YouTube. No, I don't think it is, but that's what we're going to be doing today, boys and girls. Today we are going to try and restore these faded lights on the new Triton. So I think, as you can see, they're really faded. I mean, let me quickly turn you around and then you can just see the comparison. So I've just put the flash on and you can see that haziness that they have over here and over here versus my mom's Gen 4 Pajero, which are nice and clear. So what we're going to be using today is something really simple. Well, at least I think it is. We're going to be using a drill. Boom. Excuse the mess, but who cares? And then we're going to be using my buffing wheels that are inside this bucket. Let's quickly get them out. This is what we're going to be using, guys. We're going to be using, I think this is what I call the buffing wheel or the cutting compound wheel with this. It's called Glisten Paste Compound Ultimate or Alt 1 Mate. And then we're going to go over it with the polishing wheel with Glisten Nitro Step. So with the finishing compound. I have used this on my Gen 2 on the paint. It came out really good. And I'm sure it should work pretty well on the headlights. I mean, let's just quickly go turn the headlights on and see how they look. I'm sure it should. There we go. Let's give a look, see. So you can see, there we go. That's a great shot. You can see how faded they all are. Really makes the Triton look properly old and tired. So I'm going to see what I have in order to mask up everything. And let's just get stuck in and see what I can do. I reckon I'm going to start on this side first, on the passenger side, and then let's see what happens. Let's hit it, boys and girls. First up, cutting compound. Right, let's hit it. That's what we're starting with. I reckon I'm just do a quick little test pass and see what happens. I guess let's send it. Right, let's rub it off and see how she looks. That is honestly ridiculous. It literally took me 2 minutes. Not even. Definitely less water because it sprayed all over the Pajero and all over the Triton. But the result, I mean, that is ridiculous. And all I used was a little bit of cutting compound and some water. That's insane. Let's get home with the lights and see what a difference this thing makes. I mean, I'm blown away. I mean, just look at that. Look how much crisper that beam is compared to that beam. That is scary good. I mean, that is insane. So what I'm going to quickly do is I reckon I'm going to wring out the buffing compound or the cutting compound and the wheel that I use so that it doesn't spray everywhere. And then I'm going to hit that with some polish in a bit. Might just go around the corners with my hand and just another cloth. And then we're going to hop onto this one and see how nicely it all comes out. So let me get stuck into this one quickly and I'll show you guys when this is completely done and when this is completely done. This might be my shortest video I've ever made. That is crazy. Anyway, let's end it. Okay, honestly guys, I did not realize this was going to be that easy, and also I do apologize for my lighting. While I've been away, we've lost that light, so I need to replace like what I've done there with LEDs over here so that we have more lighting so we can see what's going on as we can everywhere else. So besides that, back to the headlights, I have never seen anything. I'm going to put a flashlight on this one so you guys can see. And all it was some cutting compound. I haven't even polished them yet. It is absolutely insane. A little bit of elbow grease can go a long way. And this is going to change how the Triton looks completely. I mean, look at that. It looks about 5 years newer. I'm blown away, honestly. So I reckon what we're going to do now is get out my polishing wheel, which is this guy over here, and get some polish on that guy, which is this stuff, or any other polish. Like I said, I mean, these products are just what I have. Any polish, I mean, there's all my supplies, any paint shop, any decent automotive shop, you can get anything at. It will do the trick. As long as you just give it some time, give it a bit of elbow grease, and you should be absolutely mint. So let's get the polish out and let's see how the lights actually turn out properly finished. So let's get that started. Polish is on. I reckon next time I'm going to spread it a little bit better. Let's go get a microfiber. I guess we can use this guy, the back of him, since why not? And also, I know I should be taping up all these corners, but this paintwork on the front of the Triton is really bad. So if I do this on the 86, it'll be a lot better. So let's polish them out, just like that. And you can see that is insane already. Oh my goodness. All right, okay, so that is the driver's side. That's the driver's side done. So I'm gonna quickly go finish the passenger side. You know what, let's get some lights on this and see the difference between polished and wiped off and then just cut. And then we can see a distinctive difference. Okay, so this is the side that I just polished. And then this is the side that I haven't polished just yet. So there definitely is a difference. And in that case, let's go and polish this side and then see what she looks like once we're done. And just like that, guys, we are done. And I think the flash is on. So I think in order for us to really appreciate it, let's wait till tomorrow morning. We can open up the doors and we can see it in its glory in the daylight, so we can really appreciate it. Appreciate it, jeepers, English, Thomas, English. So let's snap to tomorrow morning. And just like that, this is how good these headlights turned out. I know I was gonna probably do a better shot and better angle, probably outside, but hey, who cares? I thought I would just show you how much better they've turned out. What I'll do is I'll put like a before and an after. I think they're just photos. But this is insane, honestly. And as you saw in the video, it didn't take me any time whatsoever. I'm going to see how long they last just with the polish on, and then maybe do like a UV protection or maybe a clear coat, almost like what they do on like high-end cars, just like a half clear coat wrap, what they do on the bonnets, use up to like here or whatever. And it might actually help. So that might be one of the quickest things I've ever done on a car, and it turned out so amazing. So don't need much. I mean, even toothpaste works. I know that for a fact. But I reckon that's going to just wrap up the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. And hopefully there's going to be a couple more videos coming on the Triton. Maybe not now, but maybe when I come back next year sometime. Some interesting ideas for this guy over here. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, do what you want. But as always, don't forget to always send it. Catch you guys on the next one.